Okay, so I pulled inside one of my living soil pots from the garage. It's like 5 below outside right now. So it was frozen solid. Brought it in a couple days ago, let it thaw out. Gave it a good amount of water. You can see it's got some nice mulch from my backyard's woods. Even some, if you look in there, you can see on the wood, natural macrame, wild. So anyways, get ready to plant this. Got a couple seeds that I got for free from Nancy's Own Grimey Bubblegum. I guess 1 in 10 turns pink. Wait and see. One of the things they say on their website, nancysown.com, is that you can grow these right on your windowsill. So that's what I'm going to try doing. This is a living soil blend. Got the recipe from buildasoil.com. It's your make your own. Basically, it's worm castings, peat moss, pumice, and then you mix in their minerals and additives to get this thing going, and it did quite well. Gonna add a little bit of the mycorrhizae. There's the 2 seeds that have just sprouted. Okay, so we're gonna add a little bit of this to the soil. Don't need a lot. This is actually in clay. So once you get it wet, it dissolves and then it becomes active, helps it root. Now we'll water that in, get that started. All right. So one of the things I've just learned is coming from Nancy's Own as well. So when you go to plant these, yep, I'm using my bare hands here. I'm going to plant it so that, I don't know if you can see it there, that is upside down. You can see the root is pointing up. It actually wants to point down. That will lift the seed out once it starts to grow. So we're going to take and turn it so that it's the right direction. Gently cover it up. On to the next. Again, see that's upside down. You want the root pointing down. Gently cover it up. I'll cover it back with the mulch. I also have cover crop seeds in here, clover, and different things for green mulch. Okay, we're ready to go. Give it a good watering. Again, like I said, I already watered this for a good amount yesterday. You want to get like 5%. I put in at least a good couple quarts of water. Let it sit overnight to even out. It also has a bottom watering area, which I did as well. And there we go. We'll see how this works. Grimy bubblegum. Here we go. Yeah, it's dark outside right now. You can see the snow. Like I said, 5 below. Well, don't have anything to lose. Let's give her a try. Thanks for watching.